Welcome to today's video on karma and the law of attraction. In this deep exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating concepts of karma and the law of attraction, examining their origins, principles, and how they intertwine in shaping our lives. Let's begin with karma. This ancient concept stems from various spiritual and religious traditions, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Karma is often described as the cycle of cause and effect, where our actions, intentions, and thoughts influence our future experiences. Karma operates on the principle that every action we take generates energy, which then returns to us in the form of consequences. Positive actions lead to positive outcomes, while negative actions result in negative repercussions. This principle encourages us to cultivate mindful actions and intentions. Karma can be categorized into three types: Sanchita, accumulated karma from past lives; Prarabdha, karma from past lives that's currently influencing our present; and Agami, karma we create in the present for future experiences. Understanding karma helps us take responsibility for our actions and choices. It emphasizes personal growth, as we learn from our experiences and work towards breaking negative cycles. Now, let's dive into the law of attraction, a more contemporary concept that gained popularity through books like The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. This theory proposes that our thoughts and emotions shape our reality. The law of attraction posits that like attracts like. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs emit vibrations into the universe, attracting corresponding energies. Positive thoughts attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts attract negativity. Visualization and affirmations are key tools in using the law of attraction. By vividly imagining our goals and desires and repeating positive statements, we align ourselves with the energies needed to manifest these desires. The law of attraction underscores the importance of aligning thoughts and emotions. Emotions carry strong vibrations, so maintaining a positive emotional state enhances our ability to attract what we desire. As we've explored karma and the law of attraction separately, it's essential to recognize their interconnectedness and how they influence one another. Karma suggests that our actions are driven by our thoughts and intentions. Similarly, the law of attraction emphasizes the power of thoughts in shaping our reality. When we align our thoughts positively, we create a cycle of positive energy. Both concepts provide tools to break negative cycles. By understanding the consequences of past actions, karma, we can consciously shift our thoughts and emotions, law of attraction, to create better outcomes in the future. Engaging in positive actions and cultivating a mindset of gratitude and positivity not only generates good karma but also strengthens the alignment with the law of attraction, enhancing the manifestation of our desires. In conclusion, karma and the law of attraction are intricate concepts that offer profound insights into the way we shape our lives. By understanding and practicing these principles, we can strive for personal growth, positive energy, and the manifestation of our deepest desires. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the realms of karma and the law of attraction. Remember, your thoughts, actions, and intentions are the threads that weave the fabric of your reality. May you find balance, purpose, and fulfillment along your path. If you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button. Your feedback means the world to us, and it keeps us motivated to create more content like this. Remember, subscribing to our channel ensures you won't miss out on the next dose of inspiration. So, click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our growing community of like-minded individuals seeking positivity and personal growth. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams, stay positive, and be the light in someone else's life. Together, we can make the world a brighter place. Thank you, and see you in the next video.